ako, hindi man nakatatawagan.
I changed my mind. Gusto kong marinig ang plano mo para makaganti ako kay Edward.
Scotch, please. You made the right decision, Thea. Huwag kang papaya na basta ka lang itapon ni Edward. You ought to make him pay for what he's done to you.
At paano ko naman gagawin yon?
If you wanna get even with him, get rid of Edward once and for all. Thank you.
Get rid of Edward? Cheater lang ako. Pero hindi ako mamamatay tao. Hindi ko makagawa yung sinasabi mo.
You see, I know for a fact that you can. Yung kapatid ni Marge, hindi ba you attempted to have him killed to protect your secret with Paolo? You are not above someone else's life para sa sariling kapakanan.
Hindi totoo yun. Aksidente yun. Hindi ko magagawa yung sinasabi mo. Lalo na kay Edward. Asawa ko pa rin siya. Ama pa rin siya ni Ashley.
Si Paolo ang ama ni Ashley. And you just said it yourself. Edward took everything away from you. Look, Thea. You and I have a lot in common. I know exactly how you feel pagdating sa mga Torrecampo. Dahil yan din ang minsang pinagdaanan ko. Kinuha nila ang lahat ng sa akin. Kaya bakit hindi na lang tayo magtulungan? Ay, look. Tell me what you see. Wala ka nga dyan sa mga litratong yan eh. Kung saan sila masaya sa family. And doesn't it seem that Edward is having a great time without you? After he took your home from you, your child? It's not even his, by the way. My point is, Thea, kinuha na nga lahat. Wala na nga siyang tinira para sa iyo. That one would expect na mas galit ka pa dapat kumpara sa pinapakita mo. But I wonder why. Bakit nga ba?
Tama ka. Matindi ang galit ko sa kanya. Pero hindi ko papatayin si Edward.
You're right. You're right. I'm sorry. I mean, what was I thinking? It was just an idea. An awful idea. Pero just like you, hindi ko magagawa yan. Because I'm not a murderer.
You know what? I think it was a wrong idea na nakipagkita pa ako sa'yo. Goodbye.
Hindi ko kailangan yung tulong mo, Thea. May iba pang paraan to get rid of the trash and the family that it belongs to.